Thank you very much. They wear uniforms bearing the Penn dining logo. They work hard to care for students every day, yet their Penn IDs still register as guests, and their treatment does not match that of a Penn dining employee. The dining hall workers at Penn fall into one of two categories: direct employees of Penn Dining or employees of Bon Appetit contracted by the university. The average hourly wage for a Bon Appetit worker is $14.35. The Pennsylvania minimum wage is $7.25 an hour, yet once the calculations for the minimum income to avoid housing and food insecurity in Philadelphia are factored in, the living wage for an adult with one child is $25.36. Bon Appetit has disregarded worker seniority, resulting in employees of 15 years receiving these $14 an hour wages. At these wages, cooks are obligated to clean up grease traps and sewage backups in the kitchen, use overheating locker rooms, work through their breaks, and tolerate non-transparency. One worker was only able to contest the excessive amount taken out of her paycheck for benefits because she kept every pay stub for a year. The workers have recounted to students that even taking a sick day can get you penalized at a manager's discretion. Because the labor is subcontracted, Penn is able to deny responsibility and redirect grievances to Bon Appetit, a company based in California. To quote directly, one worker has said, "If some of the students knew the things that go on day by day down there, they wouldn't even be eating there." Another worker stated, "They're feeding me coins. You can't live off that." Ironically, if the workers were provided even a $35,000 a year wage, it would still be almost 8 times less expensive than the recent $15 million renovations in Houston Market that removed one of 2 of Houston's wheelchair accessibility ramps. Thank you.